Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have discussed questions of exercise 3.2 up to 1 to 5. From 1 to 5. Now we'll discuss questions from 6 to 10. Exercise 3.2. Questions from 6 to 10. Here for these questions, we have to learn the formula sine 2 and pi plus theta will be equal to sine theta, cos 2 and pi plus theta is equal to cos theta, and same tangent 2 and pi plus theta is equal to tangent theta, and so on. If you got like this, sine 2 and pi minus theta, in case you will write down sine of minus theta. Put this as plus of minus theta, 2 and pi plus in bracket minus theta, and you will get sine of minus theta. Same, when here is a minus theta, you will get cos of minus theta. It is also equal to cos theta. We will apply this concept. Let's do question number 6. That is sine 765 degree. Find the value of this. You have to write down this statement as sine of, you can write that is 2, 4 by 360, that comes out equal to 8 into 90 degree plus 45, or I can say 8 is 360 divided by 360 to 765, that is 0, 720 H2, this is 5, and this is 4, or you can write it as in the checking rule. What you do, divisor multiplied by quotient. 2 into 360 means 2 pi plus 45. Those who will do by taking 90, they can write like this, or those who will take 2 and pi plus theta, they can write 2 into 2 pi, 2 and pi, and is here 2 plus 45 degree. So this is sine 45. As I tell you, sine 45, the value of sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. This is the answer. Or you can do it by taking 90, multiple of 90, or you can take it by using multiple of 2 pi. Now next question. Next question is 7th question. Question, both ways we can do the question. That is cosecant minus 1410 degree. As you know, cosecant of minus theta is equal to minus cosecant theta. So you can write minus of cosecant 140, and when you take the multiple of 90, you will write it like this. Divide this 1410 by 90. You will get like this. That will comes out equal to 16 into 90 minus 30 degree. Or you can say this is minus of cosecant minus 30. And again it comes out plus sign. Cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta. Cosecant 30 degree. What is cosecant 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2, that is 2 by 1. Or you can say this is 2. If you want the multiple of 360, then you can divide this by 360. You can do this question by this also. Right? Suppose question number 6, 7. Now question number 8. Question number 8, that is tangent 19 pi upon 3. You can write this, divide this 19 by 3. 6, 18, 1. Or you will write down it like this. Remember it, quotient with pi. 6 pi plus pi by 3. 6 is to 1 by 3, or you can say like this, and multiplying by pi, you are getting this. 6 pi plus pi by 3. 6 is a 30, 18, 18 plus 1 is 19. Same. Now what is this? That is odd multiple of 2n. It means you can write to like this, 2 pi into 3 plus pi by 3. It means 2n pi plus pi by 3. Or you can write it like this, tangent of pi by 3. What is the value of tangent pi by 3? That is equal to root 3. This is the answer. Question number 9. Question number 9 is sine minus of 11 pi by 3. Sine of minus theta equal to minus sine theta. So this is minus of sine 11 pi upon 3. Now you can write it like this. 3 4s are 12 minus sine. 4 pi minus pi by 3. So you can write it like this, or this is sine of 2n pi minus theta. You will write down minus of sine theta minus pi by 3. As I've told you, sine of 2n pi minus theta means minus sine of minus theta here, like this. Again, sine of minus theta becomes minus sine, it means minus into minus is plus. Sine pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by 2. Now question number 10. Question number 10, that is cot minus 15 pi by 4. Cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. Now simplify it. Cot of 15 pi by 4 can be written as 4 4s are 16. 4 pi minus pi by 4. 16 minus 1, that is 15. 15 pi by 4. This is minus of cot minus pi by 4. And cot of minus is again positive. Cot pi by 4, and this comes out equal to, that is 1. This is solution of question number 10. Now we will do few questions of exercise 3.3. Let's do few questions of exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3. We have discussed in previous lecture how to do the conversion. Same conversions we will apply. Let's do a question number first. That is sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tangent square pi by 4. Prove that is equal to minus 1 by 2. Prove that. Now, with the meaning of sine square pi by 6, you can write it like this. Sine pi by 6, like this square, and cos of pi by 3 whole square, tangent pi by 4 whole square, and this is the left hand side. Now put the value of sine pi by 6, that is 1 by 2, and cos pi by 3, that is again 1 by 2, tangent 45 is 1. Simplify it, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. You can do it That will be equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 2 times, 2 by 4 minus 1, that is 1 by 2 minus 1, 2 is the LCM, 1 minus 2, you are getting minus 1 by 2, that is the right hand side. That will be equal to right hand side. 360. Yes, okay. Question number second. Question number second is 2 times of sine square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6. Now here is conversion required. Into cos square pi by 3. You have to prove that this is equal to 3 by 2. Prove that. It means you have to take left hand side first. Just take the left hand side. That is can be written as 2 into sine pi by 6 square plus cosecant 7 pi by 6 square into cos of pi by 3 whole square. Now you know the value sine pi by 6, cos pi by 3, both are 1 by 2. But here that is 7 pi by 6. You don't know what is the value of 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 means that is like this. 210 degree. You don't know what is the value of 210. It means conversion is required. What type of conversion you will do? Let's put 2 into that is 1 by 2 square. Plus here conversion is required. Cosecant. This can be done as pi plus pi by 6 square, and this is 1 by 2 square. Now in the previous lecture I have told you cosecant pi plus theta. Pi plus theta means which one quadrant? Pi plus theta, you are talking about what? The quadrant, third quadrant. This is 180. 180 plus theta, it means we are in a third quadrant. Third quadrant means after school to college. Tangent and cot are positive, others are negative. Minus cosecant theta you will get. It means if I am writing here cosecant pi plus theta means pi by 6, I am getting minus cosecant pi by 6. Now I have to write down, this is 2 into, this is 1 by 4. And this becomes cosecant of, with minus sign, pi by 6. Minus of cosecant pi by 6. Minus sign will be there, remember. This is into 1 by 4. Now what is the cosecant pi by 6? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. It means this is 2. 2 by 4 plus minus 2 square into 1 by 4. It means we are getting 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. This is plus. Here 4 and 4 are cancelled. 1. And taking LCM, 1 plus 2, it is 3 by 2. This is the right hand side. Here conversion is required. You have to, if you don't know how to convert it, I have told you in a previous lecture how to make the conversion. About vertical line or about the horizontal line, what type of changes take place. Now question number third. Question number third is cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 times of tangent square pi by 6. Now again you know what is the value of tangent pi by 6, cot pi by 6 here. What is the requirement? Cosecant 5 pi by 6. Cosecant 5 pi by 6 can be written as cosecant pi minus pi by 6. You will get what? 6 pi minus 1, that is 5 pi by 6. Now it is the conversion in which pi minus theta you are taking in the second quadrant. You are going after school. Sine and cosecant are positive, others are negative. It means you will get cosecant pi by 6. It means cosecant 5 pi by 6 can be written as cosecant pi by 6. This you must know by conversion rule. Now it becomes, question becomes now cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant pi by 6 plus 3 times of tangent square pi by 6. Now put the values. Cot pi by 6 is root 3 square. This is cosecant pi by 6, 32, 1 by 2 plus 3 into tangent square pi by 6 means 1 by root 3 square. What you are getting here is 3. This is 2 plus 3 into 1 by 3. Here you are getting 1. It means 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 6. This is the right hand side. I don't written here left hand side. That is the right. Left hand side. So left and right, hence proved. Okay. Now question number 4th. Question number 4th is, write down the statement. You have to take NCERT along with you, no? Then you can do question easily. 2 sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 times of secant square pi by 3. Now I have just here give you hint how to make the conversion of sine pi 3 pi by 4. I have to write down here sine 3 pi by 4. How to write this? Sine pi minus pi by 4. What is the quadrant? Pi minus in the second quadrant. It means this can be done as only sine pi by 4 because sine is positive in the second quadrant and pi shows that it is about the horizontal line. No change will be there. So sine pi by 4. It means question is 2 sine square pi by 4 plus 2 times of cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3. Now put the values. 2 into 1 upon root 2 square plus 2 into cos 45 again 1 by root 2 square plus 2 into secant pi by 3, that is 2 square. You are getting 2 upon 2, that is 2 upon 2 plus 4 to the 8. 1 plus 1 plus 8, that is equal to 10, and that is the right hand side. That is, both are hence proved. Now do such type of questions from extra. I have told you up to question number 4th. Now, in question number, from question number 5, we will discuss few identities in the next lecture. Then we will do questions and examples of exercise 3.3. These are the questions which are based, which I have discussed in the previous lecture. And that's why I discussed exercise 3.3 up to 4 questions. Do these questions. Further we'll do in the next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.